Today, what we're going to be doing is going over how to set up our initial template for our floor plan design. Once we open up SketchUp, what we're going to do is go to Create New, Simple Template, Feet and Inches. After we select this new temp or this new file, what we're going to first do is select this person and delete them by hitting either backspace or delete on your keyboard. Once we have that selected, we're going to go up here to the Untitled section, click on that, and label this with your first name, followed by House Design. For this assignment, you do need to have your last name first before you put in House Design in order to receive credit for this assignment. After we have our title named, we're going to select OK and wait for this to process and open up which folder we are going to save it in. After we have that process, you're going to select your SketchUp folder. Once you have your SketchUp folder selected, you're going to hit select, and then it should name it in there. Unfortunately, I already have my name set, so I'm going to do it again. House Design 1. And then that should save to that folder for me. Select my SketchUp folder, select, and now my file will be saving to that folder. At any time that I would need to access that, and if it's not opening through SketchUp, what I'll do is go to my Google Drive, go to the designated folder, and then open up my drive or open up my file from that port. Once we have this set, first step we're going to do is zoom out. So in order to do so, you're going to use two fingers together and either go up or down on your trackpad depending on which way your orientation is. So one way goes in, one way goes out. After we have this set up, so we're zoomed out, I'm going to hit the letter H for hand, click and drag my access point over here to the corner to allow me to draw. Once I have this set, I'm going to hit the letter L for line, or over to my toolbar on the left-hand side and select the pencil tool, which is going to give me the pencil as my cursor. Once I have this selected, I'm going to go to the origin post where all these lines meet. I'm going to select, drag across, following the red axis, type in 110 apostrophe, so that's going to be 110 feet, hit enter. Once I have that selected, you can see that I have my darker black line. I'm then going to draw my next line following the green axis. So I can move my pencil until it clicks on the green axis. Once we're at that point, I'm going to type in 55 apostrophe, which is going to be 55 feet, hit enter, and that will finish drawing that line. Again, I'm going to draw another line to complete my rectangle. So I want to follow along with this red axis. I type in 110 feet, enter, and then close out this rectangle, which we'll save from here. Once I have this part, I'm going to go over to my right-hand toolbar, select the scenes icon, which is the fourth icon from the bottom, and then I'm going to select this middle icon. That's going to allow me to see my floor plan from a bird's eye view. Once I have that selected, I'm going to close out of this window. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so I can get a better look at my rectangle. And from here, this is going to be my template for my floor plan design. I'm going to want to build everything within this floor plan and go outside of it. So 110 feet by 55 feet, that is going to be the minimum amount of space that you want to have. You can certainly go above that, but this is the smallest that you want to make your floor plan footprint. From here, what I'm going to do is hit save. That's going to save it into my folder. And then that concludes what our template design is. For the next step, what we're going to be doing is drawing in our rooms using our information that we have from our best solution.